How would you say COVID maybe, and maybe it hasn't, I don't know, has it affected the industry in any way, shape, or form? Or like, what's your perspective on that right now? Coming into COVID and now we're kind of exiting, COVID as we may say, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, listen, as far as with my industry, as far as my business, my firm, I can't say I was affected horribly by COVID. Sure, there are certain things that, we had to kind of, adapt to and kind of, shut down a little bit earlier than we wanted to. But the thing in my industry, the way it totally changed is now everything's on the computer. 90% of hearings are now all virtual. Depositions are virtual. Compliance conferences, everything is now being submitted online. It's long gone, I guess. I don't know. We still have yet to know, but I used to be in a courthouse from 9 o'clock in the morning to 1 in the afternoon, running around for myself and other firms. I actually used to cover for other firms too for a side job. It's called per diem, which is a part of the business that has really suffered during COVID. Per diem attorneys have really been hit hard due to the pandemic. I mean, that business is no longer even, it's gone for me. So I lost that business.
Now, Brian, can you explain that for the average Joe that doesn't know what a
Sure.
per diem attorney
Sure.
is?
So a per diem is a lawyer who's hired for the day or hired for the appearance.
Mhm.
And basically they're given anywhere from $75 to $150 to appear on a case for another firm that day in court. It could be a simple appearance. It could be a difficult appearance. So I would, because my old office used to be in downtown Brooklyn, I used to literally walk across the street and be there covering for 3, 4 firms a day, including my own. Like I said, I wouldn't get out there till 1 o'clock. Sometimes I had to go back in the afternoon to continue and also to pick up the order. But now there's no more of that, and there used to be rooms packed with lawyers, just, arguing, fighting, trying to get things done. And now it's more of a one-on-one. And, used to be I'd have to be up at 7, jump in the shower, get on the train, get to the courthouse. And now it's, my clock is set for 8:50, throw on the button down, roll over in my underwear and start court.
Wait, do you have pants on right now, Brian? You in your
I do
box?
have pants. Yes, I do. I'm in the office today, so I got pants.
well,
But I'll
well,
tell you this. I'll tell you a funny story. I did have a mediation. The judge told me go call my client. I was only wearing a button down with some boxers,
yeah.
and I totally forgot about the camera. I forgot to stop the video. Next thing you know, I stand up, I'm in my boxers, and I'm like, oh no, stop the video right away. And then when I came back, he was like, you might want to put on some pants once in a blue.
Oh man, that's funny. The funny thing is they probably weren't wearing pants either, though.
They probably weren't. You're right.